Chase. Yo guys, what's poppin'? Today it's Magnificent Mojo.
Is that why I did this? That's why I put on you. Cups are quite bad, right? Who agrees with me? Cups are...
Yeah, cops in this game are just going to...
Cool.
Bye!
Bye.
But your dad never liked you, huh? No! You know what that is, don't you? My boy! Should I do that, Ella? Today we're going to... We might run, nothing's up and he's ready for excursion! Woo. Look at it. The thing's already breaking the gates. You've killed it. You have killed it. Oh no, let's get out of here.
No, I like orange.
Chicken wing, chicken wing. Look, we've got a long way, so let's cut to the chase and let's get moving. Now this is how to get one of the piety plants. Obviously, if you did see in the first one, you're gonna need to set yourself to that destination. Be careful near there, that's where the cops are.
Hey.
I just saw a cop.
Oh,
Hey, Trevor!
Get out.
Oh, train's in!
But you know I tried to skirt through it.
Go, go, go! Oh, oh.
That's how I knew they always going to go. I'm going to take a helicopter.
Now you can take any way there. Don't matter if you're taking my man's helicopter.
This is actually FIBs. They gave it to Trevor.
Look, it's the FIBs, but they gave it to Trevi, my man. Now he's just gonna fly. It is hard flying these. Sometimes, yeah. To me, it's hard. Now,
How fast I'm going? From here.
if I don't edit, I'm probably gonna edit this video to where I've actually, you know.
You are flying in restricted airspace. Turn around immediately.
It always happens. Don't worry, you won't get the cops on you for that.
This is a fast way, isn't it?
Yeah. It is a slow helicopter.
It's quite actually fast.
Helicopters are slow in the game, yeah, but it's easier, look. You don't have to take routes now, do you?
No, and it's actually fast.
Yeah.
Actually,
I can already see the island.
It's so fast there.
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
Hot dog and bologna.
Hot dog and bologna.
Chicken and macaroni.
Chicken macaroni.
Chilling with my homie.
Chili with my homie.
Before you land, set the destination. So look on your map where it is. That's where you're going to need your destination to be, yeah?
That's all.
Yeah. How are we going to land a helicopter? Alright, get out now. Get out. Just get out. Does it have to be a perfect landing? Just park it there and get out, yeah?
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, that's a bit. Trevi Revy, we've been recording for like 4 minutes already. Look, listen. It's a far journey. Not gonna lie.
Don't tell me. Ah, phew, pie open.
We found it. Look, before you eat it, wait. Just look at it. That's what you need to be looking for, yeah? That. Okay, now eat it. You find that, you shall find it there.
And then it says, press to eat the peyote.
You're going to press it, of course.
Yep, you're going to press that
And you'll
button.
see this image.
Whoever character you want, but you can't do
You will
it
see
online.
him fall down.
But you can't.
You can only do this on story mode. Well, oh my days. Just look at here. He's cringing already.
Look, Dad. This is a good buzz.
Now, of course, we will show you all the other ones that we've collected.
Wish I could shit on someone. Why do I want to eat fish? I don't like fish.
So you
I like
just meant.
people. To eat, I mean. I hate people. I like flying. Wow!
And then you can land by pressing X, A by flying. And normally how you go left and forward and all that, press it the opposite way. So down is up and up is down, yeah? So we've seen how you do it. Let's end it.
Wait.
Bye.